Welcome back to Car Wow 787, your go-to source for the latest in two-wheeler news and reviews. If you're passionate about scooters and want to stay updated on the newest models and features, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's dive into today's exciting topic. The Honda Activa series has been a cornerstone in the scooter market, known for its reliability, performance, and user-friendly design. With the anticipated release of the Honda Activa 7G in April 2025, Honda aims to elevate the riding experience even further. This upcoming model is expected to blend classic design elements with modern technology, catering to both longtime fans and new riders. While official images are yet to be released, the Activa 7G is expected to retain the sleek and practical design that the series is known for. Speculation suggests subtle updates to the body panels and the addition of chrome accents, enhancing its visual appeal. The scooter is likely to be available in multiple color options, allowing riders to choose a style that suits their personality. Under the hood, the Activa 7G is anticipated to house a 110cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, similar to its predecessor, the Activa 6G. This engine is expected to deliver around 7.6 bhp and 8.8 mm of peak torque, providing a balanced performance for both city commutes and longer rides. The fuel efficiency is projected to be impressive, with an estimated mileage of 55 and 60 kmpl, making it a cost-efficient choice for daily use. Honda is known for integrating user-friendly features into their scooters, and the Activa 7G is no exception. Riders can look forward to a digital instrument cluster displaying essential information such as speed, fuel level, and trip details. All LED lighting is expected to be standard, improving visibility and adding a modern touch to the scooter's design. Additionally, the inclusion of a combi braking system, CVS, will enhance safety by distributing braking force evenly between the front and rear wheels. Comfort remains a priority in the Activa 7G's design. The scooter is expected to feature a spacious underseat storage compartment, providing ample space for personal belongings or a helmet. The seat is designed to offer a comfortable riding posture, suitable for riders of various heights. Furthermore, the external fuel filler cap will allow for easy refueling without the need to lift the seat, adding to the rider's convenience. Safety is paramount in the Activa 7G. The scooter is anticipated to come equipped with drum brakes on both the front and rear wheels, with the possibility of a front disc brake in higher variants. The combi braking system, CBS, will ensure balanced braking, reducing the risk of skidding. The suspension setup is expected to include telescopic front forks and a rear shock absorber, providing a smooth ride over various terrains. The Honda Activa 7G is expected to launch in India in April 2025, with an estimated price range of Rs 800 to Rs 900. This pricing positions it competitively within the scooter market, offering a blend of performance, reliability, and modern features. As the launch date approaches, more details regarding exact pricing and availability will become available. While the Activa 7G is yet to hit the market, anticipation is high among enthusiasts. Potential buyers have expressed interest in the scooter's expected features, such as improved fuel efficiency, modern aesthetics, and enhanced safety measures. The Activa series has a strong reputation, and the 7G is poised to uphold and build upon this legacy. The Honda Activa 7G promises to be a noteworthy addition to the scooter segment, combining trusted performance with contemporary features. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend rider, the Activa 7G is designed to meet a variety of riding needs with style and efficacy. Thank you for tuning in to Car Wow 787. If you found this overview helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow scooter enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates and reviews on the latest two-wheelers. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.